Hello, hello student of class 6. Once again, I'm Sudhi and welcome back to my video. In today's video, I will try to show you the solutions of exercise 8.1 of chapter number 8. See, in the previous video, I was unable to upload this video for exercise 8.1 due to some technical failures or some problems there in the video. Okay, so previous video was starting with exercise 8.2. So today I will show you these solutions from the exercise 8.1. Okay, so in exercise 8.1 we have the question number 1 here. In the question number 1, it is telling us to write the numbers in the given tables there. So please refer this book, your book, if you have. Otherwise you can go to your ebook also that I have uploaded here, isn't it? So there in the question number 1 you can see some diagrams are given here. A is diagram D here. So the diagram, saying the diagram, you have to write the numbers. Okay, according to the diagram, write the numbers in the given tables. Okay, so number A. So we got here 3 tens are okay, 3 tens. So this hundreds place will be 0, then place will be 3, and 1 is there. So 1. Then in the 10th place, there are 2. So 2 tens. Okay. And in the diagram B, 100 is there. 101 is there. So we have to put 1 in the column of hundreds, and 10 is 1 again, and in ones there is no any ones, so we have to put 0. Where there is no any number or no any diagrams there in the place of any of the number place, then we have to put 0. Don't forget. Okay, clear. Then next we have again in the diagram B, we have tens here. So how many tens are there? 4 tens are. So 4. So like this, we have to give the numbers in the tables. Okay. So this is the answer of the question number 1. Like this only. So this table is already given in your book. In the book, so you can see and make the tables of your own to write this down. Okay. So this is the question number 1, and let's go to question number 2. Okay. So, hello student, now next we have question number 2. And question number 2 is asking to write the following decimal in the place value table. So this is the first place value table that is given in the question number 1 itself, so that we have to follow. Okay, clear for question number 2 also. Now we are going to write the given decimals in the place value tables. Okay. So here we have 19.4, 19.4. So 19 here, 10. How many tens are, sorry, how many hundreds are there? No hundreds, means 0. Okay. Then how many tens are there? 1 tens is there, so that 1 here, you get 10. Then how many ones are there? 9 ones are there, so 9 here. Then this after point, we call this as tens. Okay, how many tens are there? 4 tens are there, so we have to put number 4 at the place of this tens. Okay, yeah. And hundreds, no hundreds, so you can put 0 here, so that you don't make any empty tens. Yes, no hundreds, so 0. Now, next, do we have any hundreds here? No. Do we have any tens here? No. Do we have any ones here? No. No any number in the whole place. No any number in 100, 1, or 10 place. Isn't it? So, write down 0, 0, 0, all of it. But in the 10th place, we have one decimal number that is 10th, 3 tens. Isn't it? 3 tens you write here, that's all tens. 100, no 100, so 0. Okay. Then next, here, any hundreds here? No. 0. 10 is there? Yes, 1. And again, what is the value of the ones? 0. And regarding about the tenth, yes, 16th. And 100? No 100. Decimal number. Okay. And the number here is decimal number 205.9. So, how many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds are here. So I do here. And how many tens are there? 0 tens. Right down here. And how many ones are there? 5 ones. So 5 on 5 here. And how many tens are there? 9. And 9 tens. Okay. How many hundred? No hundreds. 0. So this is what the answer is, and the number to be filled in the place value there. Okay. So this is answer for question number 2. And now let's go to question number 3. So hello students, next we have question number 3, and question number 3 is asking us to write each of the following as decimal. Means here it's given as the statement here, so this statement is going to write in figure. Okay, they are the decimal numbers only there given in the statement. So this statement we have to write in figures. The figures should be as decimal numbers. Now first of all, let us see a 710. So 710 means we know that it is 7 by 10 to this. So 7 by 10 is 0.7. So this is the answer. Okay. Now 2 tens. 2 tens means yes. 2 tens means 20. Yes. 20. 2 is there in the tens place, and 1. There is no any number in the 1 place, so 0. Okay. And 9 tens will be 0.9 tens. So the number is 20.9. 2 tens means 20, isn't it? 2 tens means 20 and 9 tens means 0.9. So 20.9 we will get here. Okay. Then 102 ones. 100. 100 you know 100. Is there any tens there? No. Then tens no. Yes, ones is there. How many ones? 2 ones. Then 1 plus 2. Is there any intent from the 100 place? No. Then 100. 10 or 100 you can write. Because we need this point. As it is written that we have to write as decimal number, so take 0. Because no any tens, no any hundreds, so there are 0. There are 0. Isn't it? 1 0. Just take it. So it become a decimal number. Okay. Yes. Now some 2 of them are there to write again in this same question number 3. So please try yourself. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. Now hello students, next question is question number 4, and question number 4 is asking to write the given numbers as decimal numbers. See, little careful here how I did and what to do here. So this may be a little confusing part of you to rewrite the given number in decimals. Okay. Now see, first of all is 5 by 10. So 5 by 10 is 5 is dividing by 10. Remember, 5 is dividing by 10. So we get, or we will get the decimal value or decimal number of the given fraction. Okay. See, for example, 5 is dividing by 10. 10. No. 10 zeros are 0, 5. Now you take a point here. After it becomes remainder, you can take 5. So you can take point here and point. Then you will get here 0, 50. So 10 5s are 50. Okay. So 50, 0.5. 5 by 10 is equal to 0.5. 0.5, isn't it? Yes. Okay, this 5 tenths means 0.5. You must understand. Or you can check yourself by dividing 5 by 10 here this process. Okay, so this process please try to apply whenever you can confuse here. But here you see here, this 3 equal to 3 plus 7 by 10 means you know that is 0.7 already, didn't it? Yes. So that means it is 3.7, and when you add 0.7 and 3, okay. So what happened? How you get this 0.7 that I will show you here. For example, this 7 is divided by 10. So 10 0 is a 0 here, then 7 here, then after that you can put 1 here, then 70, isn't it? So 10 7 is 70, isn't it? So this 0.7 is here, isn't it? This means this number. So 3 plus 3 and 0.7 will add and will get here 3.7. So the decimal place of decimal number of the given number here in the B is 3.7 here. The same way, here what happened, you are going to get 265, then you are getting here 205, isn't it? Yes. 200 plus 60 plus 5 is 265. 265, okay? 265. 265 you are getting here is 5 plus 1 by 10. So 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is what is the decimal number of this 1 by 10? 1 by 10 means 0.1. Isn't it? 1 by 10 means 0.1. So 265 plus 0.1. 110 means 0.1. Isn't it? Yes. Then you are getting here as 265.1. So this is a decimal number, right? Next, we come to put here. So 88 by 10, you are going to write this number as decimal numbers. Then how much we get here? You see, we need to keep a point here, like this, isn't it? Keep a point. To keep a point, just you write the numbers. It is 88. How many zeros are there down? 1 zero. So count 1. From the right side of the number, 1 digit, okay, 1, and after that put the point here. So you are getting here as 8.8 decimal, okay. And next you see here 4 2 by 10. 4 2 by 10 means it is 4 plus 0.2. 2 10 means 0.2. You know, isn't it? 2 10 means 0.2. So 4 plus 0.2 means we are getting here 4.2. Okay, yes. 4 plus 0.2. 2 10 means 0.2. So 4 plus 0.2 means 4.2. And decimal number you have to add. Okay. So this, don't forget, to convert decimal number you have to add. Understand? Or simply just you can write like this also, doesn't matter. If you confuse with the plus, so 4 is 4 here. What is this? 210 means 0.2. 0.2 means 0.2. Like this also. Like it. Okay. Then here 2.5. Sorry, 2 by 5. 2 by 5. There is only place value of the 5. 10 places there, 100 places there. 5 places or 5th place is not there. 5th place is not there. Start from 10, isn't it? So what we have to do? Convert this 5 to 10. Convert this 5 as 10. For that, what we have to do? You must multiply this 5 with 2. So then you will get here as 10. 5 2 is 10. The same 2 multiply here, you get here 4. Now this 2 by 5 has become 4 by 10. Okay, after converting this 5 as 10 here. Understand? Then we get here 410. 410 is how much? 410 is 0.4. So 0.4 is the answer. Okay, 0.4 is the answer. Then, now, here you see 3. Now 3 and let us keep this 3 by 5 in the bracket for some time. Okay, for some time. Now, next let us do 3 in the 3 bracket means it become a plus, multiply here, so it will be wrong. If you put the bracket, then the meaning will be different. It becomes a multiplication, then multiplication will be different. But if we do the addition, then you will get the decimal numbers. Okay, because the questionnaires or examiners want that this question must be written as, or this number must be written as decimal numbers, isn't it? So if you multiply, you wrong. If you add, you will get the decimal. That's why we are adding there, even though it gives like this. Okay. In the case of mixed fractions and others, the operation is different, but the operation here for Presenting them as a decimal number will be addition, will be 8. Okay, now 3 plus 3 by 5. Okay, then plus 3 by 5. Again, then 3 by 5. Again, you see that 5 is not there in the place value of the decimal. So, like this, how you convert this as 10 that we have to follow here. That means into 2, into 2. And how much we are getting here? 3 plus 3 to the 6, 5 to the 10. Now you can here as 3 plus 6 10. So 6 10 means how much? 6 10 means 3 plus 0 0.6. Isn't it 0 0.6? Then how much will get? You are getting here, that is 3.6. So the decimal of 3 by 5 will be 3.6. Okay. So like this, what happens? Suppose if you are asked to find out the given decimal, the given decimal in the number line, then 3.6. The point where it is located in the number line, 3.6. Okay, will be this. Or then the point that shows the point that the location of the point where it is, or its value is 3 by 5 will be decimal 3.6. Okay, like this. Number line also you do for 2 by 5 for 0.4. Yes, okay. Yeah. 4 2 by 10 is 4.2. For number line also we can do, isn't it? Yes. So these are the answers for some of the questions of question number 4, and with this I would like to ask you some of the questions I left here among these, so try yourself. Okay, yeah, the simple one only. And now let us go to question number 5. Okay. So hello student, welcome back again. Now we have question number 5 of this exercise 8.1. So question number 5 and 6 now. Okay, 5 and 6. Write the following decimals as a fractions and reduce to the lowest form. So we have to write the decimal in the terms of fractional numbers, and the fractional number, if possible, we have to change it into the lowest form or simplest form. Here, so what is going to the fraction of this 0.6 will be 6 by 10. 1 0, 1 is 20. That's right. Clear. Then you see here we can reduce to the simplest form by dividing by 2. 2 3 is 6 and 2 5 is 10. That means it becomes as 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is the lowest form. Okay, clear. Then now 2.5 will be 25 by 10. 25 by 10. Okay, 25 by 10. So 25 by 10. What is 2.5 plus 2 and 5? We take and just write that denominator as 10, because 1 decimal place 1. Okay. Then it can divide by 5. 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, and it becomes here as 5 by 2. This is the simplest form of the fractions of the decimal number here. And now 12.2 will become as 102 divided by 10 as a fraction. And this can also be, will be able to reduce by number, means can be reduced to the simplest form, that is divided by 2. Okay, 2 6 is 12, and 2 1 is 2 here. Okay, then you will get here. You will get here 5. That means the answer here is 61 by 5. This is the answer. Okay, so these are the answer of the question number 5, and some more questions are there, then you will do yourself. Okay, you will not study practice. Okay, then question number 6 we have. Question number 6 we have, express the following as less limited using decimal numbers. Obviously, see the given here is 2 millimeter, 30 millimeter, 4 centimeter, and 2 millimeter. So I am using some of the questions out of this, and I'll show you the answer, how to do the answer here, how to solve the answer here. Express the following as centimeter. Express means write them as a centimeter. So you know that how many millimeters are there in 1 centimeter? 10 millimeters are there in 1 centimeter. 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter, that you all know. That this value 10 and divide the numbers. We have to divide them because small one is converting into the big unit, isn't it? So we need to divide it. So equal to it become as 2 by 10 centimeter. Then 2 10 means 0.2 centimeter. So this is the answer. Okay, why 10? Because this 10 is the value of the millimeter in 1 centimeter. So 10 millimeter you have to divide by 10. Okay, it becomes centimeter. So this is centimeter. Now this also we convert into centimeter. For that, what we have to do, this 30 will divide by 10 and become a centimeter. 0 0 cancel, 3 by 1 means equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, then point. So point, it becomes 3 centimeter. So 3 centimeter, this whole number can be written as decimal by putting 3.0 centimeter. Okay, then 4 centimeter. Centimeter, it is only centimeter here that they asked to convert, isn't it? So write the 4 as this and plus. Okay, right, 4 centimeter as this is already in centimeter, isn't it? No need to convert. So we have to convert this millimeter part. So plus, always remember that for converting this decimal number, okay, of the given number. To convert the given number into decimal numbers, we need plus. If you don't plus, no. If you do multiplication or some other, then you will go. So we need to plus. Okay. 4 centimeter plus 2 millimeter will become 2 by 10 centimeter. Isn't it? 2 by 10 centimeter. Then so to 4 centimeter plus 2 10 means 0.2 centimeter. That means 4.2 centimeter is the answer. Converting the given measurement into the centimeter. Okay, so this is how we are converting into the centimeter. So this is very important and you have to learn this, okay, again and again how to convert. So the remaining questions from the 6, like 7, 8, 9, 10 is your practice questions only, so you can sit yourself and try yourself. Okay, if you find it difficult, then you ask me to help. Okay, I will help you to work it out. Don't worry, they are very simple. Some line you have to do number, some are for working on the number lines only, and some are based on this and this only. Clear? Question number 10 is specific. Okay, so try this. Question number 7, 8, 9, and 10 as homework. As homework. Okay, this questions as homework means to do this question. Show me that you are doing. You can do. Okay, if you are not able to do, please inform me or let me know that what is that here. Now, other you are having the questions from here, you are having examples or soft answers here. So look these answers and try to do it. Okay. So my dear student, with this, let us go to the next exercise 8.4. Okay, till up to 8.2 we have completed in the previous video, so we'll go to the 8.4. Okay. Hello student, now next we have some questions from the exercise 8.4. So here question number 1 is asking us to convert or express the given value in value of rupees using this method. So here what we have to know is that the given are in price. So if it is given in rupees, the rupees means you have to keep as it is. No need to do anything with the changing, okay? Because it asking us to convert in rupees. So if it's given in rupees, some are given in rupees and other questions. So keep them as it is, and the pice part we have to convert. Okay, so there are the pice. So I am going to convert them. So by seeing this, you convert the pice part in the other question. Okay. So now, first of all, what we have to know is that how many pies are there in 1 rupee? How many are there? That means 1 rupee. 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. Isn't it? equal to 100 pies. How many pies? 100 pies, isn't it? So 100 pies, this 100 value is very important. This value 100 is very important. Okay, in conversion of or expressing of the given price in the rupees or rupees in the pies, this value 100 is very important here. Because 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies, or 100 pies is equal to 100, isn't it? So therefore, what happens now, first of all, what we are going to do is that we are going to convert pies into rupees. Smaller unit to the bigger unit. Pies is smaller, isn't it? Pies is smaller, so pies is going to convert into rupees, the bigger unit. Smaller to the bigger, isn't it? So this pies will convert to the bigger, that is rupees. Now we are going to divide the given value or given numbers by 100. To convert the smaller unit into the bigger unit, we need to divide it. If it is from bigger to the smaller, we multiply, isn't it? But here, from smaller to the bigger, we have to divide with this value 100. Okay, to the number. Now A, it is 5, so 5 will divide by 100 and become as rupees. Okay, it will become as rupees. Alright, after this rupees. Then, next what we will do, this 500 is 0.05, isn't it? 500 is 0.05, then this rupees. Okay, next we have 75 pies. 75 pies, you know that this 75 will divide by 100 and it becomes as, then how much will be as decimal? No, this will be right in this one, isn't it? So 7500 means 0.75 rupees. Okay, so we need to take point here. How to take the point, I will tell you. Is 75 by 100. So write the 75 simply. And count how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. 2 zeros are there. So start from the right side and count towards the left side. Okay, the digits. How many digits? 2 digits. There are 2 zeros. 1, 2. And after that put 0. Absolute. After that put point. 1, 2, then put point. This point 75 rupees. So point is there in the beginning, so better you write one simple Jawati, simply Jawati. Okay, like this. Here also, this 725 will be divided by 100, then it becomes as rupees now. Rupees. Then now we need to write them and as the decimal number. So for writing the decimal number, take the number here simply 725. 725. Okay, 725. Now we are going to take the points here. How to take the point? You just count the number of zeros down here. How many? 1, 2. So then start counting from here. 1, 2. Then after that you put the point here. So the point becomes between the 7. The point is falls there in between 7 and 2. So it becomes as 7.25 rupees. So these are the answer, my dear student. Okay, these are the answer here. Right. Now with this, I would like to tell you that some more questions are there, so that you do yourself as practice while you are studying. Okay, by doing this when you are studying See, when you are going through the video, don't just go through as a video or just watching a video. Go through as your studies there. So what happened? Maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Okay. So part by part you go through and do one thing here. Whatever the questions I left, after watching the video, pause the video. Pause the video, not pause. Pause the video, stop the video there, hold the video there, and after looking at you hold it and to practice the other questions which is not given here. Like this you do. If you do like this, then you will able to learn more again from the before. Okay, so please follow this type of advices given by the teachers in your video as well as your idea to learn. Okay, so now with this, let us go to the next question, question number 6. Sorry, question number 2. Now question number 2 is asking express as meters using decimal. So the logic, the idea is same as is given here. That means we are going to find out the value of the meter and the given here is centimeter. Centimeter and meter per unit. How much centimeter is there in 1 meter, or how many? How many? Yes, in one meter, how many centimeters are there? That we have to know. Yes. Now here also, first of all, this centimeter we have to convert into meter, centimeter into meter. Now, foremost concerning this, foremost idea to remember is that we are going to convert the small into the bigger one. Well, we have to divide with some values. Okay, that values how we find out what we divide. The given number that we find out. There is centimeter and meter. The difference between the meter and meter is hundreds. That means, 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. That 100 is going to work now again. Like this. It's about the episode. Okay. And meter and centimeter, millimeter and centimeter, you remember is 10. That value 10. Isn't it? We are taking that value 10 for converting into meter or into the millimeter or centimeter. Like this. Here also, centimeter and meters, the value is 100, isn't it? Means 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. That 100 is going to use now for conversion. Okay. But what is the meter here? KBS. Because it asking to meter. So meter part we are not going to do anything. Only centimeter part we are going to convert. So let us start now. Before we start, let us understand that value again. That means 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter, isn't it? So this 100 we are going to take this value again to convert the given centimeter into meter. But first of all, what you have to know is that which type of value. Smaller value is converting into bigger value, isn't it? Yes. Smaller value to the bigger is we are going to divide again. Divide the number by which value? This 100. That value of centimeters in 1 meter. That 100, isn't it? So this 15 is going to divide by 100 now. Okay, 15 by 100. Now 15 by 100 is, I'll just write here, okay, it's equal to, you know that, 15, because we have to take the decimal number of this given here. Using decimal, isn't it? So we have to find out the decimal here. Then to write the decimal of this number we get here 15 by 100. That means 2 zeros are there. That means 2 zeros are there. This means 2 decimal places must be there of the given number. Take this number 15 and start counting from the right side towards the left. 1, 2. 2 zeros. 1, 2. After that, put 1. We get here 0.15 what? Meter. 0.15 meter, isn't it? 0.15 meter. So it's the number is starting with the point. To not nice to see. Please write 1 to be 0.15. Okay. Yes. Then next. After that, what we have to do is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter is now also going to change it to meter. To change this 6 is going to be divided by 100 again, and it will become as meters. No more centimeter, it will become meter. Okay, now we know that this 600 means 0.061212. Isn't it? So I will show you how I'll tell you how we get a point out of this number. Okay, 6 is divided by 100 having 2 zeros. Then one will write this 6 simply as this and count 2 digits. Start from the 6 towards the left side, isn't it? But there is only one where we can count 2 digits. Don't worry, start here 1. No more is there to count 2, isn't it? Then take 1 0, 1 2, and then 1. Then you are getting the decimal as 0.06. 6 by 100 or 600 is 0.6, isn't it? So 0.6 meter we get here. So simply start with points of this, put 0 here to look nice or to look nice. 0.06 meter. Okay, so this is that. So now we got here. We also get here this answer, isn't it? Now next we have 2 meter 45 centimeter. The question is asking us to convert the given into the meter, isn't it? So meter part, if as it is 2 meter, but you have to put a sign here m. Sorry, plus. Okay, plus. Then now 45, this part, centimeter part we have to